Everyone, my name is Dion Durr from Pinky's Iron Doors. We're here to showcase our Hills single full arch door today. All right, guys, we're on our beautiful Hills door. This is one of our signature Pinky's designs. My dad did the design a while ago. My brother altered it by removing the kick plate on the bottom, which is called our Beverly door. And I think he did a great change to it. Awesome door. We've sold gazillions of these things, and it's one of our signature designs. We have very strict copyright designs on these things, guys, and we really try to encourage people not to copy these things. We still get them once in a while, but we try to stop it as much as we can. But we love this thing. It's got, to my family, my brother and I, it means a lot, because this is, it's my dad's design that we actually, he did, and we've grown up with this thing, and a lot of these things have a lot of sentimental value to us. But it's an awesome door. It's got a lot going for it. These are all solid pickets that have been heated up and bent and shaped to whatever this design is. This is one of our things that my dad always does, is he always loves to use smaller tubes on the sides. These are 4-inch tubes on each side, and then he bumps up the little lock area for the lock to be accepted here, because if it's 4 inches, you can't put a lock on. So he does this to make the glass larger. And this is also another copyright stuff that we have. But this is awesome, because if you have a 6-inch glass, your glass is automatically 2 inches smaller on each side instead of a 4-inch tube, which gives you a lot more light. Door looks a lot bigger also. So this is a oil rub bronze door. That's the color of it. We make this door in different colors. This is rain glass. It's got a little bit of texture to it, and it's a right hand in swing, which means this door opens inside to the right wall. I can't really open it because it's on the stand. We have these doors in double, we have it in single, we have them in all different kinds of shapes also, which I'm sure you've probably seen on the website. But there isn't too much talk about this thing. It's awesome. It's a sweet door. Let me flip it around, show you guys what the other side looks like. All right, so we're on the back side. Show you guys how the glass opens up. Glass opens up. This makes it easy to clean the glass, clean the scroll work, and also on special orders, you can actually add a screen if you like. If you want to vent the house out with the door, you can definitely do that. All of our doors have dual seals on the glass. There's one on the door, and there's another one on the glass. Standard size bore holes, 5.5 center to center, 2 3/4 from back set. From here to here is 2 3/4, and it's a 2-inch thick door. Pretty standard stuff. Oh, it did open. Doors have roller catches on. Let me close this. Almost all of our doors have roller catches, one on top, one on the bottom. They're all bored out, ready to go. We put the screws on there also. That's pretty much it. It's got a weather seal on the frame, and we do have it in different glass types also if you need it, okay? That's pretty much it. Hope you guys liked it, and see you guys on the next door. Thank you. Hi everyone, thank you for watching our Hills showcase today. If you guys have any questions, leave some comments below, or you can call us 844-843-6677, or you can email us at info@pinkysirondoors.com. That's info@pinkysirondoors.com. Thank you for watching.